Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting. Let's check out how it works and what makes it different from the old jailbreak methods. With the brand new AiOS theme generator, customizing your iPhone or iPad has never been easier. Powered by AI, AiOS creates unique and stylish themes that completely transform the look and feel of your device on iOS 26 and iPadOS 26. Now, tap on AI to UI and choose a quick theme from the list. If you want something more personalized, just type in the theme you have in mind and AiOS will generate it for you instantly. No apps. No waiting. Just imagine, your AI effortlessly generates wallpapers that reflect your mood, your vibe, your world. Let's try it as well. First, run AiOS on your iPhone or iPad. Then open the Settings app and head over to AI Wallpapers or Screensavers. Next, tap on Create Wallpaper and here's the fun part, just type in what you imagine. AiOS will instantly turn your idea into a stunning wallpaper or screensaver. And just like that, your AI instantly creates a fully animated, personalized screensaver, made perfectly for you. Cydia used to need a jailbreak, but not anymore. With AiOS, you can install Cydia on any iPhone or iPad running iOS 26 or iPadOS 26, no jailbreak needed. AiOS has a built-in terminal, making the process safe, simple, and risk-free. Just open AiOS, follow a few quick steps, and get Cydia in minutes. Try AiOS today and enjoy the freedom of iOS customization. Meet the AiOS Switcher. Your new way to explore iOS like never before. With just one tap, you can instantly switch between different AiOS versions on your iPhone or iPad. Every version gives you a fresh, unique experience, and the best part, you can do it all without jailbreaking your device. So why are you waiting for experience the next AiOS? Let's install it. Go to Safari browser. Search iOS 26 Jailbreak Pengu 8 and tap on the first link on the search results. Scroll down the page and tap Install Next AiOS. Once you install the Pengu 8 app, open it to download the AiOS. That's it, you have successfully installed the AiOS. Now it's time to go beyond the boundaries.